and then you can watch it, add the comfort colors, and publish straight away. It's super fast. It takes just a few seconds per listing. Mergeflow has had a major update, and they've added a really cool feature that lets you add new products to old listings really quickly. And this is amazing because if you're below tier 10,000, you can use Mergeflow for free. I'll have a link to it down below. It's a Chrome extension. What you want to do in order to enable more products in your listings is go to the Designs tab. And this is going to be really helpful for adding comfort colors or the upcoming coffee mugs, for example. So what you want to do here in the Designs tab is you want to first of all filter this down to just the live products. That way you avoid anything that's been rejected previously and you won't accidentally submit a new product for a rejected design. The next thing you want to do is scroll across to this section where it says Products Summary. Now this is really useful because you can say you want to see all the listings that are missing comfort colors right now, or perhaps you have a lot of old listings that don't have the iPhone cases enabled. Just check iPhone cases. So in my case, with this example, I'll do it with comfort colors because I recently got access to those and I want to just enable them on some of my old listings. Now you can of course filter this down more and, for example, go to date created, say between, and then give it a certain month or a certain year. So if you wanted to enable the new products for everything that you uploaded last month, perhaps you just select that right here. So you would go to August 1st until August 31st, and then now you have all of the listings from the last month without comfort color shirts, so you can quickly enable them. I've also filtered this down by brand names right here, which is an optional thing, but if you want to do it on a niche by niche basis, that's another way to do it. And now it's just a case of selecting all on this page, or perhaps selecting a specific amount of your designs, and then you want to click on Add Missing Products up here. You then want to scroll down in this list and just click on the product that you want to enable. You can do this with multiple, by the way. So if you only uploaded to t-shirts in the past and you want to enable all of the other products, you can also do that right here. You just select all and then disable a few things, the ones that are already in the listing. So there's a few shortcuts to do this more quickly. In my example, again, we're just going to do comfort colors heavyweight. You have two settings at the bottom: use default price or use the minimum price. So those are the only settings right now. They'll probably expand it in future if I had to guess, but that is a small downside compared to something like Flying Upload, which can also enable products and old listings, but there you have more control over the price. So I'm going to choose use default price, which will give me a $3 royalty for these comfort color shirts. And then translation, I would highly recommend setting this to disable translate, because if you have it enabled, it will review all the listing data again for all of the products rather than just the single comfort color shirt that you've added. And then you can click apply right here. You need to select OK, and then you can go to the publish tab, and now you can see the queue of product actions right here, which you can then just go to publish all straight away in the bottom right, which will open up this new autopilot window, and then you can watch it, add the comfort colors, and publish straight away. It's super fast. It takes just a few seconds per listing. It does only have the default color, so I wouldn't do this for shirts that are optimized for light. In this case, it only adds black to the listing or whatever the default is for the product that you're adding. So that's another thing to bear in mind. Flying Upload would let you, change the color selection. This right here only uses the default, so only do this for designs optimized for dark listings right now. But actually, a few days after recording this initial video, they added a new button right here that says custom. So with that, you can also choose other colors. You could upload just to white and to some of the tie-dye patterns, for example, like this. And then if you hit apply, that also works. Or you could select multiple dark colors if you wanted to by just holding down Control or Command and then clicking through the ones that you want to select. But you can see how fast that was. That just took a few seconds, and now we have comfort colors enabled on like 5 new listings. And now you can go back to the Designs tab and filter out the next brand or filter out the next month and go ahead and publish more. Really cool. If it's not working for some reason, I would check the Chrome extensions that you have enabled and disable Productor. I had Productor enabled at first and it kept giving me error codes, not Productor itself, but Merge Flow gave me errors when it was trying to add new products. So Productor was interfering there. Just disable it, and then you might have to restart your browser, but Merge Flow Autopilot should work once Productor is disabled. If this is your first time hearing about Merge Flow and you're not sure what it is, it's essentially a Productor alternative. It doesn't constantly break and it gets continually updated. They also have a really cool list of features and filters. You can bulk change your prices very easily, for example. And if you want to learn more about Merge Flow, check out this video next because it's free up to tier 10,000 and it will help you take control of your Amazon Merge catalog.